Hi everyone, welcome to episode 2 of our EZCAD tutorial series. In the previous episode, we explored the EZCAD interface and some basic operations. Today, we'll take things a step further, showing you how to import common file types, edit text, create shapes, and make simple transformations, so you can start marking and engraving with ease. Let's start with image marking. Go to the top menu and click File, Import. EZCAD supports a wide range of file formats, including vector graphics, AI, DXF, DST, PLT, image formats, BMP, JPG, GIF, TGA, PNG, TIFF. Simply choose the file type you need to import. We've also prepared a real demonstration video showing the difference between image marking and vector marking. Watch it for the full comparison. Next, find your file and open it. If the imported design appears too large or too small, select it and use the Scale tool or directly adjust its size in the Properties panel. After adjusting the size, click Apply to confirm. The lock icon controls proportional scaling. When it's locked, changing the X or Y value keeps the other axis in proportion. If the design is outside the workspace, click Go to Origin to bring it back. On the right side, you can define power, speed, and frequency. Uncheck Default to enter your own settings. Marking parameters for different materials are available on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Feel free to refer to them. Once everything is set, click the red frame button to preview the marking area. Make sure Continuous is unchecked to avoid double engraving. Everything is ready. Click the Mark button to start marking. Click File-New to create a new work surface. Next, let's add some text. Click the text icon, the T symbol, on the toolbar, then click anywhere on the workspace to start typing. Type Bluetimes. Then click Apply. EZCAD supports both system fonts and single-line fonts. You can also make your text bold, italic, or vertical, and adjust letter spacing using the F button. The H icon stands for Hatch, Fill. The Z-shape fill mode is commonly used for engraving and delivers good results, though the best setting depends on your design and material. Recommended line spacing is 0.03 to 0.05 millimeters, depending on the size of your design. Click the Return to Home button. Next, adjust the size, power, and speed as needed. Let's take a look at the marking process. Besides importing graphics and text, EZCAD also lets you draw basic shapes directly. From the toolbar on the left, you can choose tools like rectangle, circle, polygon, line, or even Bezier curve for more advanced drawing, perfect for creating custom outlines and designs right inside the software. Alright, next up, let's mark a rectangle. Go ahead and delete the other shapes first. Then just move the rectangle back in place, resize it if needed. And when everything looks good, hit Mark and let's go. Once you've got your shape done, you might want to move or tweak it a bit. No problem. EZCAD's got some powerful tools for that. Just click and drag to move it around. Up on the toolbar, you'll see buttons for rotate and mirror. And check out these 4 quick options. You can open a file, unlock it, delete parts you don't need, or merge files together. When you're ready, hit H to open the fill settings and fine-tune your engraving. Let's tweak a few settings. Then hit Mark to start engraving. Alright, that's it for today's episode. With these skills, you're ready to handle most marking and engraving tasks with ease. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into parameter settings and marking optimization, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.